Flying is fun because it'll take you places. People nowadays can fly in helicopters, small or large aircrafts, hot air balloons, etc., and reach almost to any corner in the world. But did you know that all this is possible only because someone thought that how would it feel to fly? Back in 1899, people began to make types and types of flying machines to achieve the dream of flying, and by doing so some had failed miserably and some of them even lost their lives. But still, people didn't lose hope a part of all this happening, because all they wanted was to change the world and make a history. All the brave folks who had contributed their lives had one thing in common: their thought process was out of the box, due to which they had challenged the status quo back at that time until the Wright brothers finally made the first flight in 1903, which revolutionized the world completely.